So what you doing, Anthony?
Fishing with no fish.
Tell me what you're doing.
Fly fishing.
Fly fishing? Wow, how did you learn how to fly fish?
No one. Just taught myself.
Just taught yourself?
With a stick.
And what kind of fish are you fishing for today?
Fishies.
Yes.
Blue fishies.
Here.
Blue fishies? And what does your hook look like?
It's
A minute, I got it.
shiny. Shiny.
It's shiny?
Really shiny.
Oh, let's get a close-up. Show me your hook.
I got one!
Let's see. Hold it up. Hold your catch up. Put it in your hand. Show me your catch. Nice. You're a good fisherman, aren't you?
Whoa, I got another one.
What's your fishing song you were just singing?
Fishing, 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 fishing. I catch my fish a different way. Let the fish, fish, fish. I catch a fish with a stick. And it's really awesome because I got a fish already. And it's on.
I think you got a big one.
That's not a big one, it's a no coco, no coco.
Okay, catch me a big one.
This 1 minute. Now, don't look.
Okay, I'm not looking.
After one minute, up. Lose my fish.
What kind of bait are you using?
No bait.
No bait? You gotta be using some kind of bait. What kind of bait do you like to use?
Worm.
Worms? Yeah, you catch big worms, don't you? Big juicy ones, eh?
Where do you get your worms from? Grandma's garden.
I could get a real worm.
Okay, let's see you catch a big daddy fish.
This 1 minute. Girl, could you give me another nugget?
Okay, cast your line.
This 1 minute.
How old are you, Anthony?
My bait is fish.
Your bait is fish. Oh, okay. And you're 5 years old now? 5-year-old fisherman.